In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards DIY furniture and sustainable living. One emerging trend that combines both is the use of pallets to create unique and stylish garden furniture. This article explores the wonderful world of pallet furniture, providing you with innovative ideas to revamp your outdoor space. Whether you have a small patio or a sprawling backyard, these pallet projects are sure to inspire you. Pallet furniture ideas for outdoor seating. Pallet sofa. Create a cozy seating area with a pallet sofa, complete with comfortable cushions and throw pillows. Pallet lounge chair. Craft a chic and contemporary lounge chair using pallets, adding a touch of elegance to your garden. Pallet swing. Hang a pallet swing from a sturdy tree branch or pergola for a relaxing and playful addition to your outdoor space. Pallet furniture for dining and entertaining. Pallet dining table. Construct a rustic dining table using pallets, perfect for hosting memorable outdoor meals with family and friends. Pallet bar cart. Build a portable bar cart with pallets, ideal for serving refreshing drinks during summer gatherings. Pallet wine rack. Showcase your wine collection with a stylish pallet wine rack, adding a touch of sophistication to your garden decor. Garden furniture made from pallets offers a perfect blend of sustainability, affordability, and aesthetics. By embracing DIY projects and repurposing materials, you can create unique and stylish pieces that reflect your personal taste. Whether you are looking for outdoor seating, dining furniture, or garden enhancements, pallets provide endless possibilities. So, gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and transform your garden into a stunning outdoor retreat with pallet furniture.